Looking for the best camera phone for videography but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best camera phone for videography based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. BOBLOV W5 5K Body Camera. This camera's one standout feature has to be its silky smooth 4K at 60 fps. It's a game changer for vloggers, capturing every movement with crystal clear clarity. Whether you're a casual content creator or a professional filmmaker, this camera's got you covered with its everyday vlog-ready design, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. You can use it for vlogs at home, travel clips, or quick updates on the go. It's simple, discreet, and reliable. Plus, with clear audio and an external mic input, your voice will always be front and center. And let's not forget the 270 degrees rotatable lens, which makes switching between selfie mode and first-person view a breeze. With multiple wearing options and included accessories, this camera adapts to your needs, making it perfect for active users who want a personal body camera that's always ready to shoot. Number 4. Rawiemy 4K 64MP 60 fps 18x Video Camera Camcorder Full HD 4K 48MP Vlogging Camera. If you're a beginner vlogger or just looking for a fun way to capture life's moments, this camcorder is a great choice. It shoots stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photos with ease, and the high-sensitivity CMOS sensor makes it perfect for low-light situations. The touchscreen is super intuitive, and the pause feature is a total game changer. You can switch scenes without starting over. Plus, it's really compact and comes with a ton of accessories, including an external microphone and remote control. It's not for pros, but for anyone who wants to create some awesome memories, this camcorder is a great value. Number 3. CAMWORLD Camcorder AC09 Camcorder Video Camera 5K 56MP Dual Lens Vlogging Camera. This 5K camcorder is a total game changer for content creators, YouTubers, and vloggers who demand broadcast quality footage. The innovative dual lens technology lets you capture stunning 5K video resolution and crystal clear 56MP photos from both the front and rear cameras simultaneously, perfect for stage shows, speeches, weddings, and events. The 16x digital zoom brings distant subjects closer with impressive detail, and with night vision capabilities, you can shoot clear black and white photos and videos in complete darkness. The 3.0-inch 270 degrees rotatable touchscreen offers multiple viewing angles for creative framing, and with a 64GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries included, you can start creating immediately. This camcorder is also perfect for live streaming on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, with a built-in Wi-Fi and wireless transmission enabled via the Crxythmenon app. The IR remote control allows for hands-free operation, and with features like time-lapse, slow motion, and anti-shake stabilization, you'll be able to capture smooth, professional footage. It's a complete YouTube starter kit, including a microphone, tripod, bag, and 64GB SD card, making it perfect for new creators or those looking to upgrade their content. Number 2. CAMWORLD AC25 Camcorder Video Camera 2.7K 48MP. If you're just starting out with video content creation, this camcorder is perfect for beginners who want to create great quality content without a steep learning curve. It delivers 2.7K FHD AVI video and clear 48MP photos, making it ideal for everyday memories and casual filming. The LED fill light ensures bright, clear videos even in low-light conditions, and the webcam function allows for live streaming on YouTube or video calls. A 3-inch 270 degrees flip screen makes selfie recording easy, and packed with features like face and smile detection, multiple filter effects, and burst mode. It's also great for vloggers and content creators who film themselves, with anti-shake stabilization for action recording and an 18x digital zoom. With a standard 1/4 tripod mount and the ability to record while charging, this digital camcorder is a great all-in-one device for beginners, kids, and teens who want to start creating today. Number 1. Crxythmenon HJD-05 4K Vlogging Camera. If you're a content creator, you know how frustrating it can be to lug around bulky camera gear, but still want to capture those spontaneous moments that make for the best vlogs. This ultra-lightweight pocket camera is your solution. It slips effortlessly into your pocket or backpack, freeing you from the hassle of heavy equipment. With its 4K capabilities, you can transform any moment into a cinematic masterpiece, and with 75-megapixel photos, you'll preserve every detail with crisp clarity. Plus, the smart selfie feature with 330 degrees auto face tracking ensures you're always in focus, even in the most chaotic scenes. And when you're done, simply pair it with your phone for instant Wi-Fi sharing, no cables, no waiting. It's the ultimate all-in-one content creator camera, perfect for documenting your daily life, live streaming in pro quality, or capturing dramatic time-lapse. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.